What's up, everyone? This is Nyla back with Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today, what do we have? We have a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful black and yellow. Look at that beauty. Just doing a walk around so we can really see all the way around, a little 360 view. It is convertible. It's got a big block. We got standard transmission. Another fun one to drive right here. Sounds super vicious when you turn the key. Got nice slick black interior. Looks to be all original in here. Super good shape. All the leather, everything in here. No scratches, no nicks. No nothing. Alright, I'm going to turn the key, check that engine bay out, which is pristine. Then we'll take it for a drive and take a look underneath. Laser straight.
Lasers. Well, lasers are straight. So. Here we go. Actually, don't punch it first. Yeah.
All right.
Super tight. I mean, I didn't feel any type of wobbling in this car.
Cool.
We just did a nice little brake check, and I couldn't feel anything there either.
Good.
I mean, this is the bee's knees.
Solid.
It's saying.
All right, cool. We're gonna flip it around and take a look underneath.